Hi guys, so I had a lot of questions regarding how to use WhatsApp and Telegram in Astro workplaces. So let me show you. So I have this is the main workplace which I'm using currently, and WhatsApp and Telegram have been installed here and working already. As you can see, I have here, and let me show you second workplace. Now this is the second workplace, and what I did in the second workplace is to install WhatsApp from Microsoft Store. This is from Microsoft Store. Let me show you Microsoft Store. Okay, as you can see here, it's WhatsApp installed from Microsoft Store. When you install WhatsApp for each of the user accounts in workplaces, then they will be completely separated from other workplaces. Similarly, for Telegram, you need to download Telegram on your computer, on your workplace, and I've downloaded here and install it, which I did earlier. And as you can see here, it's running. And although I'm connected to the same user account on here, but this does not affect if I close or even uninstall Telegram from here. As you can see, uninstall Telegram desktop. If I uninstall it here, it won't affect the other one. Okay, as you can see here, the Telegram in my main workplace is still running. So that's how you can get Telegram and WhatsApp working in Astro workplaces. And you have to repeat the same process for each of the workplaces. Install WhatsApp from Microsoft Store and download and install Telegram from their website. So let me install it. And also, when you install, you'll notice that it's installing to the app data folder. That's why the installation for each of the workplaces will not affect other workplaces. And it's installing currently on users tier 1 account. And in my main workplace, Telegram is installed in, as you can see, it's installed in the STHR user account folder. So they won't affect each other. As you can see, I have Telegram running in two workplaces and not in at the same time. So that's about it for this video. And if you have any questions regarding Astro and any application running in the Astro, let me know. Thank you for watching this video, and feel free to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.